Yo, I'm just holding on dear life. Hopefully this shit works and it records my audio and I don't just record for a fucking hour straight and it doesn't get my audio. More Tears of Kingdom's probably gonna come out, but let's hop on Smash. I forgot, I might be out of online. Fuck, I'm out of online. This is a beautiful game. We're trying something different after a while, and let's see. Let's just fucking play the game, honestly. Okay, hold on, the lag is crazy. Never mind. Okay, but yeah, like this beautiful game. You already know, and that's how I'm gonna record from now on. I actually haven't played this game in a while, so I don't know. But this is basically I'm just testing and doing a bunch of shit. Uh, so like don't mind me. But I actually found a cool way to go around the map. Hold up. The balls. These are the balls. Okay. You spawn the ball. Get your gravity lift. And then you want to do this, that, and then bring it back. Okay. Once you brought it back, right? You want to use the recall. And then let go there. And we're fine. It's just a quality check doing if this capture card works and does good shit. If it does, it works out, then we're chilling. If it doesn't, then oh well. It sucks for me and everyone. But yeah.